Alright, right now I'm sharpening the chainsaw. There's 3 elements to each teeth on the saw. The top one, that'll alert you before the others that you done hit a piece of metal or something, because there'll be indentations and divots in it. It's kind of hard to see that on the side part of the tooth, but the side part of the tooth is what actually does the cutting on the chainsaw. The top part does the rip. So the side cuts, the top rips into the piece that's going to get cut by the said side, and then the front part, see if I could turn it. The front part right here is called a raker. That just simply pushes out what's been cut and ripped from the teeth that's in front of it. So I got the whole right side sharpened. I'm left-handed, I'm right-handed, so sharpening the left side is a bit awkward for me, but I could do most things besides right with my left hand. I wouldn't say I'm ambidextric at all, but the way that I'm sharpening this saw is how I learned from all the Guatemalan, El Salvadorian, Mexican, and white folks that I done worked for. Look where my machete from. Hopefully the camera zoom in. There it go. Zoom in, camera. Say El Salvador on there, but yeah, there it go. So yeah, I'm almost finished with this job. I came and chopped up all the logs to use as firewood, and now we're gonna cut up all the brush and haul it off. And if we got time, we'll come back and rake up with the brush cutter left yesterday, and possibly drop another tree or two as well. Yeah, this is how I learned how to sharpen the saw from the Hispanics. You could buy fancy tools and guides and stuff like that, but like this right here, put your face on it, and it's your chainsaw, so you're gonna do it right. Cause these Stihl saws, man, they don't play no game. You just keep the chain sharp, they gonna do what they need to. They call this in Espanol a filo, file in English. Excuse me. Oh. You need to set me up an OnlyFans and a Patreon. See if anybody will support me. Take my shirt off or something, you know what I'm saying? Wear some shorts. Show off some thigh meat. By any means necessary, man. I'm trying to get it, you feel me? So I can have a better future for my son and myself, you know what I'm saying? Before I check out. And yeah, I'm holding the tooth with my thumb and holding the bar with my hand, so everything stay nice and square. And I'm not sharpening straight across, sharpening at an angle. The teeth are all set at an angle like this. Hold on. If this is, yeah, the teeth look like this. Yeah, I can't really see it from that angle, but they're not like this. They're like that. So. And I'm just basically looking to shave off
What's that shit they put around
any
Fuck that shit.
I think I'm finished. Yep. Look like I ain't do too good of a job on these first ones, so fiddling with that camera. Nah, these ain't been. Nah. I'm like, I know I ain't finished this side that quick yet. Like, probably got about 10 more to go. That was just a good tooth. So yeah, it's called a chain, and each one of these are called teeth. Firemen use one of these when they coming through your roof of your house burning down. They'll cut a hole in the top to vent out all the smoke so that they can enter. Their chain on, they use the same chainsaw, but the teeth are different. The teeth are like little hammers so that they could just knock out shingles, wood, whatever. Because these saws pretty powerful. You can put one of these on a motorcycle, like a dirt bike or something. I don't know why Stihl don't make dirt bikes. Because Husqvarna, they make dirt bikes. And shoot, I don't know who would pick a Husqvarna chainsaw over a Stihl chainsaw. Not that Husqvarnas ain't no good, it's just Stihl the best. So Husqvarna could make engines, so can Stihl, but if I ain't mistaken, KTM owns Husqvarna, or Husqvarna own KTM, whatever. So I guess Stihl don't got the capacity, manpower, space, or warehousing to get into the motorcycle industry, because I don't know how those wouldn't sell. Like, one more to go. I know I sure love to have a Stihl motorcycle or dirt bike. And the German technology, man, that thing ain't gonna break down on you. If it do, you gonna get the spare parts to fix it. Yeah, we looking good. We back in the game, baby. Sometimes be cheap. I don't bring them back as far as I should. Thing is extremely sharp now. I'm putting my finger on it, but like, see them calluses on my hands? It's like I got leather gloves on. God bless me with these, baby. Just sharpen the chain up. I mean, tighten the chain just a little bit. This, I think this is a 362. One of my newest saws. Yeah. Since the day I bought it, it's had a problem with the tensioner on the chain. Like, it just get loose, real loose on its own. I think it's a flaw in the design. This one got those screws that stay on the casing. I don't like that design. I mean, I kind of do, because it sucks when you're out in the woods adjusting your chain and then you lose your freaking what do you call it, nut, your bolt. No, it's a nut. Yeah, but I think they be